I've had this heater fan for a couple of years now. Don't mind the dirt, as I've had it for a while, so I can say like how it's been working for me. I love how it's small. It fits on my desk just in the corner, super small. And I love that it has the fan option and then 2 heat options as well, so I don't need a fan and a heater. I can have both in one. Let's see. It has this safety thing on the bottom. There's like a little hole, there's a thing so that, if you can hear the click. So if it ever knocks over, it's not going to turn on. So if it knocks over, it's not going to heat up other things. After a couple of years, I will say sometimes it won't start and it has kind of like a burning smell, but that might just be because of my students putting erasers on it. So, but it's worked really well for the time that I've had it.
To the heat, it goes.
All right, so I have this little heater plugged in. I've tried on multiple outlets and multiple surfaces to make sure that the that tip over button wasn't activated. This little guy, as you see here, right down there, and still nothing. If there was power coming through, you would have seen this a little red light appear here, but nothing. Nothing whatsoever. So this is going back tomorrow.
Don't touch Sharpie. No.
Okay, so we bought it today, but it truly doesn't work. Nothing works, just there's a light that turns on and off, but it doesn't work.